Hey guys, this arrived. Let's check what's inside. Hey guys, so I got an email the other day from IME3D. They wanted to send me something called an X-Kit, and I was really intrigued to see what it was, and the package finally arrived. So we've got the package here. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. Right. So I've been very excited about this, and I haven't been able to, I've been really struggling not to open this box. So in the first package here, we got some 3D printed kits. Right. Now, before we open up the next part, I'm going to explain to you what this is all about. This is a company that has manufactured a robotic toy for kids, okay? But they've got a unique twist on it where you can 3D print parts in order to make up different models of games and all that are programmable through a controller and through a PC. So what they've done is they are busy with a printer. You can see the printer here from their website. It hasn't been released yet. The printer looks great. It's all enclosed. It's a great looking printer. Really excited about their printer. And I'm hoping they'll send me one, but for now they've sent me the printed parts of a couple of models. So each one of these packets is a model that your child or kid can build in order to play with. There's a whole ton of different models, and they've also got a software package where you can go and create hundreds of different models, and each one do something slightly different, and they're all programmable. There's a block programming language, as you can see here, and on that block programming language, you program your robot to do what you want it to do. I still need to play around with this and try it out. I've been waiting for the kit to arrive, but I have been super excited about this. So we'll check out these kits in a minute, but for now, let's go deeper into the box. All right. And here it is. It's called X-Kit. It's called X-Kit. This is it. This is the whole programmable, computer-based model that you can build, and you can build hundreds of different toys and all that. Shall we see what's inside the box? I'm really excited. The kit is coming out in me. Right, so we have a little X-Kit poster or sticker kind of thing. And right, I've been looking at this on their website. So this is sort of it's quite big. It's a fold-out sheet of streets and things for your kids to play on, where their little car can drive around on, and there's line following in this device, all that kind of thing. There's an X-Kit quick guide, right? Just a couple of little basics about the thing and what the box contains. So inside the box here, we have, I think this is as far as I could read, this was a chain link for a belt that goes around, so like tire tracks for a tank or something like that. And then we got some other parts. These are not 3D printed. These are extruded plastic. So these are extruded plastic. So yeah, these are some other items that we have. We have the main body. Now, this body here, you attach all your parts to via the little holes here. I'll show those now. And then you can attach all of the electronic parts to the inside here. And you build up your kit. And when you finish, you program it, and it will do whatever you tell it to do. Beautiful looking device, very clean, all injection molding, really, really nice. Then over here, we've got these are your ultrasonic sensor, so they can go for range, so it will not bump into objects, which is really cool for kids to play with. And this is a little buzzer to make beeping noises or whatever. Your programming cable and some other cables. These two cables are to connect these up to your main board. Then, there are 4 servos here. Obviously, you can do something with each servo. There we go, they come apart. So you can obviously do something with each servo. I've seen things like little forklifts and little dump trucks and all those kind of things. So you can build that with the servos and make little toys. Actually, I'm really excited about this. Then there's some tires. So we got some injection molding rims here, and then tires. I noticed that in the package, you also get tires that are not injection molded. These are 3D printed. So then there's some tires and some bigger tires, which is really nice. Then finally, these are all the little connectors. I worry about these a little bit. These can get lost. I hope you can, I'll find out from their website if you can order more of these little connectors, but they've got all these different types of connectors throughout the bottom here. They've got all these different types, different lengths, different connectors. So obviously these all connect as you go along. All right, so that's what's in the box. So obviously we build up our toy using all of these connectors into the 3D printed parts. So over here, I've got a Formula One racing car. So obviously you take out all the parts, you assemble it with this, and then you can drive it around. It's also got a kind of remote control through your iPad or through your Windows machine, it's going to be great fun to build these things. So what I will do is, on the next version of this video, I will show something that is assembled. I'll have them running around the track that we've got here, and we'll give this a try. Really exciting stuff. I think there's so many possibilities for your kids to just explore and to build their own things and to get that building feeling, that wonderful feeling of building something themselves. So on the software, I've had a look at the software. You have hundreds of STLs, hundreds of files that you can build up and modify. So they're not only what you can build, it's also what is pre-built, what you can build yourself. You can modify them. You can build your own things that go onto here. And after you've printed out everything, it shows you exactly what files to print. So you can send it directly to their printer over Wi-Fi, but that's not available yet. When that printer becomes available, you'll be able to do that. Or you can export the STLs to print on any printer. So that's really exciting. We just create it, dump it into Cura, get it ready and print it on whatever machine that you have available. I think it's a great thing for your kids to see something that on the screen and is a design, and they can now download it, print it, and create their own toys. I think this is a really exciting project. Guys, catch up with me soon. I will do another video in a week or two with something built or a few things built, and then we'll go through the programming and how we print out different STLs. But I think this little project has got such merit. It's such a good idea for your kids to get involved in making their own stuff and getting their imagination flowing. Kids have such wonderful imagination. Us adults can learn from our kids' imagination because they are next level with their imagination. And I'm saying imagination too many times. And I think it's really exciting what we could do with these sort of toys and build them and get them to be excited about these kind of projects. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm really excited about this. Check out X-Kit. The website is in the link below. Go check out their link below. And even on the side of the box here, there's a whole bunch of things that you can build. There's tractors and dump trucks and forklifts. It just looks like it'll be great fun for your kids. Absolutely little snowman. Wow, there's obviously a lot you can build with this. So really exciting. I'll get back with another video shortly on this. Stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel, please, if you don't mind. If you find anything on my channel that is really helping, drop me a thanks. Would really appreciate that. And super thanks is finally enabled on my account. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this in the comments below and talk to you soon. God bless, stay well, and be safe.